The BMW M3 has a madness inside it. Its standard powertrain bottles up 473 horsepower from a twin-turbo straight-six, shoots it through a 6-speed manual transmission, and wastes no time delivering it to the rear tires. And that's only the start. The M3 competition, which is only offered with an 8-speed automatic, increases horsepower to 503 and is offered with your choice of rear or all-wheel drive. With all that power, you'd think the M3 would be incapable of doing slow, but even when driven at law-abiding speeds, it's quite nice. While rivals such as the Cadillac CT4, V Blackwing and Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio feel at times more refined and less edgy, there isn't a wrong choice among the three brands' super sedans. For an even more righteous experience, there's the new Ford 2024 M3 CS. It sheds an estimated 75 pounds from the base M3 and hammers the pavement with 543 horsepower and all-wheel drive. What's new for 2024? The BMW M3 only grows crazier for 2024 with a limited edition M3 CS model that UPS horsepower to 543 from 503. Lightweight materials shave an estimated 75 pounds from the normal M3. It will use the 8-speed automatic with all-wheel drive, ensuring blistering launches. The M3 CS gets its own suspension tuning, as well as red or black brake calipers behind the M light alloy wheels. And of course, M3 CS's exclusive M Dynamic mode offers an aggressive track driving mode. Fitted with Michelin Gummy Pilot Sport Cup 2 track-focused tires, a no-cost option, this will likely be the quickest M3 we've ever tested. Pricing and which one to buy. It's a pity that the more powerful M3 competition is only offered with an automatic transmission because the 6-speed manual on the base version is hugely satisfying. We understand why some folks will be drawn to the M3 comp, its extra power and available all-wheel drive, for $1,100 extra for starters, but we prefer the one with the manual, which also rides better. Aside from the subjective exterior and interior styling choices, we'd recommend selecting the M-Drive Professional package, with its onboard drift analyzer and lap timer, and the M-Drivers package unlocks a higher top speed and includes a high-performance driving class, engine, transmission, and performance. As with the new M4 Coupe, the M3 sedan features a twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-six. The normal version sends 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheels. A 6-speed manual is the only transmission offered. The M3 competition's engine is even more powerful, generating 503 horses and 479 pound-feet. But it's only offered with the 8-speed automatic. The M3 Comp comes standard with rear-wheel drive, but it's also available with an all-wheel drive system that includes a rear-drive mode. The baddest of asses in this Hyper 3 series, guys, is the 543 horsepower M3 CS. The CS is all-wheel drive and equipped exclusively with the 8-speed auto. Built with many carbon fiber reinforced plastic bits, the CS weighs 39 pounds less than the M3 Competition X Drive, but 310 pounds more than the M4 CSL Coupe. Every M3 also features adaptive dampers and an adjustable brake pedal feel. The sedan can be outfitted with even stronger carbon ceramic brakes, too, which feature cool gold-painted calipers. Our first drive of the regular M3 and the competition variant showcased their ability to pull off lurid drifts, which were encouraged by the optional M Drift Analyzer, part of the M Drive Professional package. We also fell in love with the satisfying shifts of the manual gearbox, and we were just as pleased with the engine's tenacious acceleration. However, when compared to the raucous Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, the M3 doesn't immerse the driver quite as much. 0 to 60 miles per hour times. At our test track, our long-term M3 hit 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds. It was equipped with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. An all-wheel drive M3 competition, with the 8-speed automatic pulled off a heroic 2.8 second 0 to 60 miles per hour time. But if you're looking for maximum acceleration, the top-spec M3 CS completed its adventure to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, in the hands of our expert staff. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Besides unique M badging and distinct trim details, the M3 interior is basically the same as in the regular 3 Series. That means the M3 has the same design, passenger space, and outward visibility as its more pedestrian counterpart. While M cars are known for their heartier performance, they also meet or exceed the top-of-the-line 3 Series in terms of interior materials and build quality. Not surprisingly, the M3 has more carbon fiber and micro-suede accents for a racier aesthetic. The driver faces a large curved digital gauge cluster that will switch to M-View in the sportier drive modes. They are activated via prominent red buttons on the M3's chunky steering wheel. Switching to M-View adds a shift indicator and replaces the regular tachometer with one that's easier to read. A set of heavily bolstered, lightweight front seats are available, standard on the competition, and provide incredible support without sacrificing much comfort, although that might not ring true on long road trips. Infotainment and connectivity. The M3's infotainment system runs through a long, curved touchscreen display that starts behind the steering wheel and extends across most of the rest of the dashboard. The iDrive 8 infotainment interface also features a rotary knob and buttons on the center console if you're touchscreen averse. The M3 offers multiple charging ports as well as a selection of standard and optional features. Thankfully, BMW no longer requires a paid subscription for Apple CarPlay and has also adopted Android Auto. Both are standard along with a Harman/Kardon sound system and a 1-year subscription to SiriusXM satellite radio. The system can be optioned with gesture controls, a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot, and a wireless charging pad. Well, in the end, is it worth buying? Tell us in the comments. I am happy for you to subscribe to the Cars Hunters channel to encourage us to produce more videos about cars and more.